minsan nagsama na ang aming landas, pero hindi kami nagkita. Poetic din, di ba?
Okay ah.
Nagsama ang aming landas, pero hindi kami nagkita. Nung graduating ako ng high school, ay pinopromote yung cause ng beatification ni Lorenzo Ruiz. And I played the role of Lorenzo Ruiz. Siya ang writer. So, I did not know. And at that time, I was so young, 16. I did not even understand what is beatification. So actually, I don't know, maybe it was meant. I did not audition for the play. But parang nakalaan na pala sa akin yun, hinintay lang ako ng professor. So that's why when I did that audition, pinatawag ako and said, parang ayabang mo naman, di ka pa sikat, parang namimili ka na, parang gano'n. Wala na akong kinalaman dun sa, I did not understand yung significance to play. But I see it as a blessing na the following year, I was there during the beatification of Lorenzo Ruiz sa Luneta. And that's only a year after when I understood what is beatification. So I turned 80, he was beatified 81. And it was very significant from that time on. Parang I took him personally. Parang doon ko lang na-appreciate. Parang late ako sa mga ganun the realization of the significance of what's going on. Kaya pag tinatanong ako about vocation story, part of the story is, kung susulat ko yung istorya ko, nauntog ako during the play ng Lorenzo Ruiz. Nung binigin kasi siya, baliktad, hinila siya, we did not practice it. Tumama yung ulo ko doon, kaya sabi ko nauntog ako, kaya takot ako mauntog, baka magising ako. yung ano na yun. So, pagpasok ko, narinig ko yung pangalan niya. Pag sinabi palagi, si James, writer yun. Ganun palagi yung, yung kadugtong nakadikit sa pangalan niya, yung pagiging writer. I think may magazine ng Turistado nun. I don't know. Nagpa-publish kayo ata nun eh. Parang meron I don't know if I saw some na meron kayong outlet for writing nung time na yun. So, ganun siya nakilala. And fast forward, long time. Naka-assign na ako sa Indonesia. I don't know how we got connected. I think he asked online if, sabi niya, I heard the one who played Lorenzo Ruiz entered the priesthood. I want to meet him. And naka-connect din ako. Then I saw it. And then somebody mentioned, nakita kami sa table doon. Doon kami nag-usap. And then doon na-hatch yung about writing. Hindi ko pa alam na awardee si Jigs, Palata. Basta alam ko lang nakakulik sa writing. And then hinahanapan niya ako ng script. And we were both sad kasi pareho kaming walang kopya ng script ng Lorenzo Ruiz. But now when I look back and I'm getting to know him more, I get to appreciate yung mga flashbacks ng script. Parang sometimes very ordinary event. For example, merong part dun sa Lorenzo Ruiz when he has to say goodbye to his family. And kung i-highlight mo yung tragic part, wala sa mga storya niya yun eh. Pero pag in-imagine mo, it makes the story more real. Na it was not easy for Lorenzo to leave the country kasi may family siya. No? And then for your information, yung anak ko dun sa Lorenzo, may bata maliit doon eh. Ako nagkasal dito. He looked for me. Tawag niya sa akin, Deng na kasi it's a play. Parang, I mean, it's very memorable yung story na yun. Parang dumikit na sa story mo, gano'n. And that's where it was hatched. And I'm very happy that I'm available this day. Nung nilaunch to. Namomonitor ko naman yung announcement dun sa I hope really, it's good to have a project kasi yung project, may timetable, you work on it, may nahabol ka. But I hope it can really also promote writing among the young ones. I'm a social media consumer. Talagang nakatutok ako dyan. Kasi naging part na ng life ko. To be a good preacher, you must know what's going on also. How the people, Pero something is missing. It's not priority ng province ang social media, evangelization to social media, but it doesn't mean we leave behind yung writing. Kasi ang ngayon, everyone is into social media, pero nagiging question na ngayon ng content. Content. But the social media actually gives opportunity for writers. Mas madali na mag-promote ngayon actually. So, really, I'm very supportive of this. I hope it's a good start. It's nice to meet you all. At maganda yung initial project. Very real, very relevant. And I hope we can really, to the help of the brothers, even with the centralized, not only limited to us, even maliit lang yung circle natin. And at that time when we were talking, I love Lord of the Rings. And ano yung layo? Narnia. I think both are Christian writers. One is a Protestant. One is C.S. Lewis and J.R. Tolkien. One is a Protestant, but I heard they are friends and contemporaries. And consciously, they want to bring the faith to the mainstream. And they did it through writing.
Yung writer po ng Lord of the Rings sa Lay Dominican.
Sino?
Si J.R.R. Tolkien. He usually goes to Mass sa Oxford.
So, see, those, you can explore all those. No? And, we do not know where this is going. But I know something will come out kasi iba yung feel nyo yung passion ni Jigs yung about writing. So, na-struck lang ako kanina, discouraged lang ako sa isang quotation. If you do not have time to read, you cannot write. I know I can write, but I do not have time to read. But I'm really looking forward to that time na magkaroon ng time to read, multitasking. But thank you very much, Jigs. May the Lord give you more strength and more years. And this has been your passion. Kita niyo yung passion does not depend on age. Kahit may edad na nandiyan yan. Nobody can take it away from you. And I hope we can really share that only your knowledge, but even the passion for this writing. Vested interest ko namin as Dominicans, it's really a great tool for evangelization. Kaya I'm fully supportive, and may God bless our endeavors. I think we have a good group to start with. I hope lumaki yung tribe about this one. Thank you, Jigs.